Shanghai Weiyao Environmental Technology Company Limited. Rooted in Anting, the industrial hinterland of Shanghai. Drive transformation in the industrial cleaning sector through innovation. Focus on the R&D and manufacturing of 3 core product lines: industrial floor scrubbers, electric road sweepers, and industrial vacuum cleaners. Provide efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions for industrial scenarios. Ride-on road sweepers. Multi-scenario application. 3-in-1 solution: sweeping, vacuuming, and misting. Easily solve more cleaning challenges. Time-saving, effort-saving, worry-free. Ride-on floor scrubbers. Ideal for areas over 1,000 square meters with a high cleaning efficiency of 4,500 square meters per hour. Scrub while you drive. Leaves floors bone dry and streak free. Cost effective and worry free. Explosion-proof industrial vacuums. 24/7 continuous working. Capable of continuous operation in explosive areas and combustible dust environments. Wherever you are, we've got you backed by free on-site demos and worry-free after-sales service. It is a solid guarantee of our commitment. Shiwosi Cleaning Equipment has served numerous industry leaders, becoming their trusted long-term partner. Customer first, service priority. Shiwosi Cleaning Equipment supported by 8 major regional branches and Shanghai R&D Center, Changzhou City of Jiangsu Province, Jinhua City of Zhejiang Province, Chuzhou City of Anhui Province, Zhengzhou City of Henan Province, Huizhou City of Guangdong Province, Lanzhou City of Gansu Province, Changsha City of Hunan Province, Chongqing City, to build a robust service network across China. Shiwosi cleaning equipment proves its value in demanding industrial environments. Win reputation with outstanding performance and prompt service. Empower our partners to enhance workplace environmental quality and production efficiency.